Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2018 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has front wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof, rails, silver and black trim with mud flaps on the rear and front, heated door mirrors, and moving to the front, we got a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space with cargo cubby holes, hooks and doodads, 12-volt lights, all that jazz, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage with your storage below with a spare tire. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle's a seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. You have this nice gray, black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, adjustable rear seats with floor mats, rear vents, 12-volt, and you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat. You got some storage here, same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 152,215 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, play back, play forward, phone, voice, toggle for your screen, and cruise control. We got our trip 1 and 2 with information, settings, all that jazz. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, cup holders, and storage with USB 12-volt, dual climate up front with heated front seats, auto stop, auto start, traction with your storage there above and below. With your media controls, you got radio, phone, menu, Bluetooth, number keypad, CD, hazards, all that jazz. Storage below, little infotainment system right here, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE02719A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.